Keep going. Show me how you skated really fast to that yellow bucket and back again, Emmy. Yep. Get up, Tanner. Get up and come back. Go put it in the net, Tanner.
He's good at hockey.
Good job, Emily. Go ahead, Tanner.
I just want to be like
Okay. No.